everyone, and welcome back to English with Kaylee. Today's lesson is lesson number 8, and in this lesson you will learn the pronunciation of 6 more vowel sounds in English. Let's get started. Listen and repeat the words and sounds. What can you see? Good. Car. Car. Can you say it? Car. Good. The sound is ah. Ah. Car. Ah. Good. This is the sound, the phonetic spelling. Ah. It's a long sound. Good. What can you see? Good. Clock. Clock. The sound is O. Clock. O. O. This is a short sound. Clock. Clock. O. O. Good. Well done. What can you see here? Good. Computer. Computer. Excellent. This is a very popular and important sound in English. It is called the schwa, and it's a sound. Listen. Computer. 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 Good. Well done. Okay. What can you see here inside the basket? Good. Egg. Egg. Good. Egg. The sound is e. E. Egg. It's a short sound. E. Egg. Well done. Good. What's the next one? What can you see here? Good. Phone. Phone. What's the sound? O. O. Phone. Phone. So you can see here we have a short sound. O. Clock. Here we have a long sound. Phone. Oh. Good. Well done. And the last one is chair. Chair. What's the sound? Air. Air. Good. This is a long sound. Air. Good. Well done. Let's listen once more. Repeat with me. Car. Good. Ah. Good. Clock. O. Computer. A. Good. Egg. E. Phone. O. Chair. Air. Good, well done. Okay, let's try an exercise. Match the sounds. Match the sounds. Here we have car, clock, computer, egg, phone, chair. Good. We have got 6 words. Let's read the words together. Where. Where. Good job. Ben. Ben. Good. Scottish. Scottish. American, American. Ah, ah. Polish, Polish. Good, good. So now we have to match the sounds. Let's look at an example together. Number 1. Where, where. The sound is air, where. And the word that has the same sound is chair, chair. We have air, where, chair. They have the same sound. Okay, let's try number 2 together. Ben, 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 ben. Which word has the same sound? Car, clock, computer, egg, or phone? Which one has the same sound? Good, well done. Egg, egg. Ben, egg, Good, well done. Let's try number 3. Scottish, Scottish, Scottish. Good. Car, clock, computer, or phone? Which one has the matching sound? Good, well done. Clock, clock. Scottish, clock, Okay, good. They both have the sound, the short sound. Well done. Let's take a look at the next one. American, American, American. We have this sound. Okay, so which word has the same sound? Is it car, computer, or phone? Good, well done. This one is the schwa, the sound. Computer, American, computer. Good, excellent, well done. And number 5, we have ah. Does this match with car or phone? Good. This one is car. 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 We have the long sound. Well done. And the last one, number 6, Polish. Polish. It's a long sound. Which one does it match with? Excellent. The last one, it is phone. Phone. Polish. Phone. Good. So all of these words have matching sounds. Good job. Well done. That is the end of today's lesson. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.